Betty Baker, and this is the Betty Baker Cooking Show. Every week I have a special guest, and this week my special guest is supermodel Victoria's Secret. Hi, I'm Miss Victoria's Secret and supermodel for Victoria's Secret. Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm good. I brought all my cooking supplies with me, like Crystal Light Sunrise Classic Orange and some salsa and diced tomatoes, you know. Whoa, hold on a second. Hold on. Buffalo style chickens and tomato paste and melon cheese and jello. Oh, why did you bring all this? To cook with. You know all the different styles. Well, what did you think we were cooking? I don't know. That's why I kind of brought everything. But I was especially, I really had this vision that we're going to be making some stuffed mackerel. Yeah, no, we're not going to be making any of that. What? I'll give you a hint. I have some ice cream in the freezer. It's still getting cold. And some stuff to put on the ice cream. What are we making? Ziti. Yeah. I was right? Like with the little buzzers going ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. No. What? We're making ice cream sundaes. Really? But can I preheat the oven? No. Why? We have to use the oven. We're not using the oven. You can't bake ice cream. Oh right, that's that cold stuff, isn't it? Yeah. Now, I have the ice cream still in the freezer. We have hot fudge, Valentine nonpareil sprinkles. It's pink! Yeah, just like her new outfit. Yeah. If you know what I'm talking about. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Yeah. So, is that all you need? Just the sprinkles and the fudge? Well, my manager, where's my peanuts? I cannot live without my peanuts. Ralph, they didn't supply these peanuts that I promised that I would get. So, Ralph! Okay, Victoria's Secret, calm down. I just want my peanuts. We have some butter. The peanut butter? Some butter fingers on you. Yes, I do have my butter fingers. Alright. Let me take out the ice cream. Okay. Ice cream! Yay, ice cream. Yay. Is mint chocolate chip good with you? I love that stuff. Okay. There's my butterfingers kicking in again. Can we put some hot sauce on it? No! Let's put this back in. What the hell? Cat stuff? I think my special guest just collapsed. Yeah. I'm putting her cat stuff back in the bag. You need to go back to Taunton State Mental Hospital. Look at Taunton. I'm in California. Yeah, we're in California. What are we